How do you cope as adults? I mean, in a bid to not sleep on the floor now, it's going to cost you your arm and your leg. So apparently you're going to be sleeping on your bed, which is now above the floor, without limbs, because everybody has taken everything you've got. Anyway, in another bid to not smell like poop, we've gotten some perfumes from Colette.ng and these fragrances for the wardrobe. And because I hate the taste of oats, I don't know why, even when it is cooked, it still tastes raw. So I pan fry it with some coconut flakes, and when I just add hot water, it smells amazingly, and I just add milk and we're good. Hi, welcome to my new vlog. My name is Candy. Thank you for joining us today. This is just me trying to navigate life as an adult who is trying to survive. And I get up every morning at 5 a.m., get dressed, and I leave home at 6 to go to work. You guys call it 9 to 5, but it's more like 5 to 7 p.m. I don't know who started calling it 9 to 5, but maybe they didn't see this part of our own corporate world. Anyway, this is my lunch bag, which usually contains all the necessities. In fact, I have no need to carry an actual handbag because this carries everything. And if you like, don't carry your umbrella, because this is how I came back home, like a chicken that rain beat, because it was raining. But on the plus side, we have a package to unbox. I was really happy to receive this package because opening packages is my favorite thing. It's like opening a gift from me to me. And this particular box is from Flawless Ivy. If you didn't know before now, I'm going to tell you again because you might be a fresh pair of eyes watching my YouTube channel for the first time. I sell makeup products. I'm a professional makeup artist, and because people trust my recommendations for makeup products, I test them. I make sure that they are wonderful, they work well, and then I pair them to make the most wonderful packages to suit people's budgets, their lifestyle, and their preferences. So this is just me checking out everything I got. In this package, we have setting powders, we have face definers. This is a contour kit which has a highlighter, a contour powder, and a shiny highlight as well. And then we also have setting sprays in this package. Now I love this setting spray because it actually works as a misting spray which can act as a primer, especially for those with dry skin. This is a new packaging because I have their former primers and this is not how they look. Setting sprays, I meant to say. This is their lip gloss set, and this lip gloss is actually big in real life. It's bigger than other lip glosses I own, and the price is just 2k. How special is that? Now, this is the star of the show. I've never sold any skincare products in my stock. This is the first skincare product we are stocking up, and it's the moisturizer from Flawless Ivy. One thing that sold me is the fact that this moisturizer is huge. This is my daily moisturizer, which is the Ceramide Face Facts one, and it's 50 ml. Now the Flawless Ivy is 80 ml. It is plenty. It's plenty, and I feel like it would be ideal for makeup artists. The last but not the least product we are unboxing is this Blur Essence powder from Flawless Ivy. Everyone that has used this powder tells me that it looks like you are wearing foundation and powder, and it gives the most flawless finish. So if you're someone that wants me to curate a makeup kit that will work perfectly for their face, their budget, and their style, please comment down below. You can just comment makeup and I'll send you a DM, or you can just let me know what your preferences are and I'll be happy to serve you in the comment section. Also, if you're a distributor or you want to get into the makeup business, you can also reach out to me and I'll teach you, and I can also sell to you at discounted rates so you can make some profit for yourself. Now, if you know how adulting can turn your eye, you will just go and cook food so that you'll not be hungry during the week. And just because I don't want to look like what I'm going through, I'm about to just do my skincare. I don't believe I've been this religious with my skincare before. I've just been following this routine because you spend money and you don't want these products to expire. So you better wake up and rub them on your face so that your face will look like all the money you're making. Yes. Let's sha do and sleep sha, because my problem with time is it rushes so much when you have little time for yourself. I mean, before you open and close your eyes, it's already morning. Literally, it's morning already and it's time to go to work. Like, how did we get dealt this part? And yes, we've skipped a few days and we're now on the weekend. And trust me, when I came to do this hairstyle, I kept saying if I were a child, nobody would have stopped me from crying. As an adult, I almost peed my clothes. My goodness, do braids have to be this painful? I know that everybody has their pattern of braiding and all, but more, this particular hairstyle made me to start thinking about cutting my hair. I know my hair is long. Like, if you've watched vlogs where they did my natural hair or I'm using my natural hair, you will know how long my hair is. But this particular hairstyle made me to question the entire reason I am keeping hair. Okay, because I have a small head and I'm going to look smaller than I actually am, so we're going to keep hair. But I was like, the next time I braid my hair, if I don't straighten it, like if I don't use a straightening brush or a blow dryer, I am not making it. You people will just have to deal with me tying my scarf, because just because I want to be a fine girl. When I tell you guys that I almost cried, oh, and it didn't take long, it did not take long, but it was such an excruciatingly painful experience that I was like, no, salon experiences are meant to be self-care and pampering, and they're not supposed to be this painful. I don't know if it's just me, but my scalp is mad sensitive, and after this particular hairstyle, either I brush straighten my hair or I use my natural hair for the hairstyle. That's it.
Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on and fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait 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 for you.
Another factor that makes my hair pain me is when it is cold, it pains. But this is the final look, and the hairstyle came out neat and very beautiful. Still does not excuse how painful it was. I could not pack, I could not do anything, but I'm a pretty girl, so hey, a win's a win. Afterwards, I just went to run my errands and I stumbled on the train in Jos. It was a beautiful sight, so I stopped to catch it. But this brings us to the end of this very short vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have a couple more videos you might want to check out. You could find videos about beauty, hair, content creation tips on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.